In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off notifications. Begin by launching Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Then you can scroll down, click on one of those options or apps under Notification Style and use the switcher at the top to switch off or on notifications from the chosen one. You can also click on Siri suggestions over here and click on one of those switchers next to one of those apps to block or enable all notifications from them. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!